Number 33, these have some phenols and some ethers, so they just kind of throw a little more at you. Again, I can't stress enough, make sure you're highlighting, circling, numbering, doing whatever you can do to help me understand what you understand. Okay, so our main group here, our parent, is a phenol, and in this case it's given the level of a parent chain and not a substituent. Okay, these are all given the levels of substituents. Okay, so we're going to start numbering right here at the OH group, where your phenol begins, your hydroxyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, it wouldn't matter even if we numbered it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'd end up with the same thing. We have 3 methyl groups, so we're going to say trimethyl, and the groups occur at numbers 3, 4, and 5. So 3, 4, 5, trimethyl phenol. 33B, we've got an ether, and the ether is not giving a substituent designation. It's giving the main name designation. So again, you'll get the hang of this maybe, or maybe not. Either way, circle, show me what you know, and this will help you figure things out. So we've got an isopropyl over here because we have 3, and it's not attached to the primary carbon, it's attached to the secondary carbon in the middle, so that's isopropyl. And this is an ethyl group, so when we put them in alphabetical order, E comes before I, so ethyl, isopropyl, ether. Okay, now this one, again, the phenol is the parent chain that we're dealing with here, and we're going to start numbering at the OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got, these are nitro groups. Remember, if it's an NH2, it's an amino, but if it's an NO2, it's a nitro. So we've got 3 nitro groups, so that's trinitro, and they occur at numbers 2, 4, and 6. So 2, 4, 6, trinitro phenol. Okay, this one, difficult for me to get it to where you can see it. Let's try this way. Okay, we've got an ether. This is a cyclobutyl group. This is a cyclopentane group. And when we put them in order, cyclobutyl, cyclopentyl, ether. So I can imagine what you must think whenever you see these things. Remember, circle label, show me what you know. And if you do have a multiple choice, by the time you circle label, try to figure out which multiple choice best represents you. I think you're going to be fine. But circle label, circle label. 33E. We've got a phenol group, or a phenol as your parent. Okay, this is a butyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the butyl is given a substituent ranking as opposed to a parent ranking. Okay, again, tricky in terms of, because this class doesn't give you like ranking rules very well, as if you were to take like a regular organic class. So circle label, circle label. This is a butyl group, and some might call it an N-butyl because, but you probably just, I think your book just calls it butyl. But N just means it's a normal chain. It's not branch or anything. Now, this is in the ortho position. So we're going to say ortho, butyl, phenol. And for F, we've got an ether, and on both sides we've got propyl groups. Okay, they're identical. So we're going to say dipropyl ether.